Hey everyone! Today we're going to be looking at how to create a ticket in the RepairDesk iPad POS app. Let's get started.
You'll first need to log into the iPad POS app with your RepairDesk account. Once you're all set up, we can start creating our ticket. First, select the Repairs tab from your store. Then select the device manufacturer, select the device model, and select the repair you want to perform and the required part for it. When you're all done, tap Next. You could do the same for any accessories you're selling, trade-ins, or any casual transactions made. Once you've made your selection, it's time to fill in a few details. You can enter the IMEI number of your device, what network it's tied to, the warranty status, and others. Once you've entered all the details of the repair, tap Confirm to add it to the cart. When you're all done, tap Checkout at the bottom to proceed to the order confirmation screen. On this screen, you'll find the option to create a ticket. Let's go ahead and give that a tap. Enter your employee PIN and tap Confirm. You can now either have the customer sign off on the order from the customer-facing display, or tap Proceed Anyway to bypass it. And there you go! Your ticket has been created. Simple and easy to use. Using RepairDesk to stay on top of your customers' needs, you'll have the perfect setup for your POS system in no time.
If you like what you saw, please consider downloading the RepairDesk iPad POS app from the App Store. And visit repairdesk.co to sign up for your free 14-day trial. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next one.